Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Infiniti of Nashua, we have the 2019 Land Rover Discovery. This thing is absolutely sweet. This one is the supercharged inline 6, dual sunroof. And then when you open the hatch, where's the button? It is a third row. Of course, you can bring this seat down. This drops down with a push of the button. And then you can raise and lower the vehicle to make loading a little bit easier. I know, I'm working on it. Alright. Sunroof. You have center console and armrests. Which are pretty cool. You can use this knob to adjust where they go. Sweet. Let's go for a drive. Now, be completely honest with you. I'm a fan of superchargers more than I am turbochargers. It takes a lot more effort to put a supercharger in a car than it does to turbocharge a car. And the power delivery of a supercharger is much more linear than a turbo. And it also sounds better. Sorry. Don't get me wrong, I'm a fan of turbos too. But if I had to choose a supercharger versus a turbocharger, I'd go supercharger all day long. Overall, spent the night with this car. I have no complaints with it. One thing that's pretty cool, I've noticed it on a couple Land Rovers now, heated windshield. You'll notice if you look closely, you'll see some squiggly lines down the windshield. Camera's probably not going to pick it up, but in person you can kind of see it. It's a heated windshield, so you don't need a defroster. It's just like the rear window where it has those lines to defrost and de-ice. It's an electronically heated windshield. Let me tell you, living in New England where we get snow and ice a lot, like 3 months out of the year, 3, 4, 5 months on some years, that is very welcome. do have a sport mode in the transmission. You have paddle shifters as well. Now it's not going to handle like a Jaguar F-Type, but it's not bad. A little bit of body roll, but nothing crazy. This does have air suspension. All in all, this car, I like it a lot. Definitely a lot of fun. Luxurious enough for what we're asking for it. This is under $40,000, which is, you know, with 49,000 miles. I can't complain, guys. I really can't. It's definitely impressive for that price point. Adding a supercharged inline-6 into the mix just makes it that much better. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.